Welcome to our guide on Betmgm. Today, we'll walk you through how to cancel a withdrawal and manage your funds effectively. Understanding the withdrawal process is key to managing your funds on Betmgm. Let's take a quick overview. There are several reasons you might want to cancel a withdrawal. Maybe you need the funds sooner than expected, or there's a change in your gaming strategy. Let's access your withdrawal request step by step. On your Betmgm app, navigate to your account section. Finding your pending withdrawals is straightforward. Look for pending withdrawals in the transactions log. To cancel a withdrawal request, simply click on the Cancel button next to your request. Confirm your action, and you're all set. Before canceling, consider the implications. Canceling too frequently may affect your withdrawal limits. If cancellation doesn't work, check your internet connection or ensure you're logged into the correct account. Managing withdrawals on Betmgm doesn't have to be complicated. Stay informed and keep track of your finances effortlessly. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to Betmgm support. Stay informed and happy gaming.